Voting in Elkhart yesterday, you might have waited longer than expected. This comes from an issue some of the cities faced with voting machines, several of which were jammed due to the humidity on Election Day, we're told. Elkhart County's clerk of the court spoke on what he described as a hiccup.
It comes down to Elkhart County received a grant from the Secretary of State's office in August for backup equipment. That's what we proposed, and timeline didn't allow us to have it for this fall. So that's a lesson learned, we will be, with that backup equipment, we'll be able to handle those contingencies in the future.
And he went on to say that new equipment should be arriving by January at the latest.